Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect your Steam account to Discord. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to store.steampowered.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log into your Steam account using your credentials. This will ensure you have access to your Steam profile when it's time to link it with Discord. Now open a new tab in your browser and head over to discord.com. Log in with your Discord credentials here as well. Alternatively, if you prefer, you can simply open the Discord application on your desktop instead of using the web version. Either option works perfectly fine for this process. Once you're logged into Discord, direct your attention to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see a gear icon there, which represents your user settings. Click on this gear icon to access your account settings and customization options. After clicking the gear icon, you'll be taken to your settings menu. On the left side of your screen, you'll notice a panel with various setting categories. Look for and click on Connections. This section is where you can link all your external accounts and services to Discord, making it easier to share what you're doing across different platforms. In the Connections section, you'll see several options for different platforms and services you can link. Click on Steam. This is the option that will allow you to integrate your Steam account with your Discord profile so your friends can see what games you're playing. Finally, a new window will pop up. Click Sign In to link your Steam account. This will authorize Discord to access your Steam information and complete the connection between the two platforms. And that's it. You've successfully connected your Steam account to Discord, and now your gaming activity can be displayed on your Discord profile. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.